And who do we have today with us?
It's me. My owner hasn't named me yet.
Well, they need to know who you are. Anyways, stop! You're knocking me over. Ah! Oof. Well,
Technical difficulty.
Frosty.
My name's Frosting, sorry.
Yes. And we have experienced the most thing.
Sorry, the giant's hand got in the way. Look it behind us. It's
There's a baby bird. So we must keep very good distance because they have.
But the giants can get a little close to it. But they're not very close because they'll just zoom in. So this is baby Penelope.
The creators of.
She is a goldfinch and she was only a baby. She fell out. As you can tell, she's looking at us like, what the heck?
Yeah.
WTF.
Well, we should get out of here. So, see ya. We gotta get out.
But that's Penelope.
And yeah.
But yeah, and where the cherry bomb blows that.
Yep. So yeah.
Well, that's a bush that you didn't want.
What a beautiful sight.
And see your
Yep.
And we kept her in a paper towel so her mama couldn't see her. Don't be shouting, no, you're so wrong.
what's your
But
Yeah. I'm talking to you,
yeah. Well,
person,
person.
that doesn't
The person.
comes right through it anyway.
any
That one person.
yeah.
Down.
Okay, but wait, we should end this video though,
Yes.
because it's a short video. So
Yes. Thank you
bye,
all for watching.
Cherry Bros.
Bye. Bye. Say
Bye-bye.
bye, Penelope.
Tree's a pine tree.
Bye, Penelope.
I got this.
Bye.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Thanks for
Tweet, tweet,
watching
tweet.
Through the eyes of wisdom.
Down. Waboosh.